Hi everyone, my name is Princess Victoria Paulina. Today I will show you that how to turn on the computer and how to turn off the computer. Step 1, when turning on, we need to plug in the computer. But you need to ask help from your mama. Step 2, you need to turn on the power button on the CPU. Turn on the monitor. And you wait when turn on the screen. And tada! Now our computer is turned on. And let's try to turn off the computer. Step 1, we need to go in the start. Step 2, we need to go on the power button. And shut down. And let's wait to turn off the computer. And ta-da! Now our computer is turned off. And that's how you turn off the computer and turn on the computer. And that's all. But goodbye.